It's day 13 of breaking out of handcuffs, and today the ground is lava. Let's go. Okay, the ground is lava. Rules are I can't touch the ground. I don't have a bobby pin to break out of the rocks, so I have to make it across the rocks into my car and drive to the tractor that's holding the bobby pin across the rocks. Because the ground is lava. So first, you can move your back. Okay, here's the tractor, see? The key is hanging on top of me. We have to climb on top of my car and grab the key out of the top of the tractor. It's not a key, it's Bobby. It's Bobby. Let's go. So, I'm still handcuffed. See, I ain't cheating. Look, there's my key. Here we go. follow for day 14. Come on.